Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix can't install WhatsApp Messenger on your Android Google Play Store. As you can see guys, same error I am also facing. So finally I have got the easy and simple solutions to fix this problem. Okay, so let's get started. So when you are facing this type of problem, so the main two reason behind this error is this guys. First, if your internet connection is not good, at that time you can face this type of problem. Okay, and second main important reason behind this error is this guys, if your internal storage is not free, at that time you can 100% face this kind of error on the Google Play Store. First you need to check your internet connection, and second thing you need to free up your storage. After this guys, your problem will solve 100%. okay, in case this internet connection is working fine and your internal storage is almost free, after then you are facing this type of problem, now you can try this next fixes to fix this problem. So close your Google Play Store and open your phone settings like this. Okay, in the phone settings, go to apps and notification. From here you need to find out the Google Play Store and go to storage, clear the caches of the Google Play Store. Okay, and go back like this and open your all apps. From the settings menu, scroll down and find out Google Play services. Okay, open it, go to storage, clear caches and clear the storage of the Google Play services. Okay, after doing these guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, go to Google Play Store once again. Now try to update your WhatsApp and it will fix your problem now 100%. okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.